Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for daily notification. Smoothies recipe to help to lose weight faster. You can drink 2 smoothies daily, a healthy meal, drink plenty of water, and never eat oily foods and white flour. Smoothies are an easy and tasty way to flush out toxins in your body and help to boost metabolism and lose weight fast. These smoothies usually contain fresh fruits and vegetables and can be made with an ordinary kitchen blender. 1. Apple and berries smoothie. Mixed berries 1 cup, light blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Large apple 1 spinach 2 cups water 1 cup or unsweetened almond milk. Add all ingredients in blender, and blend for 1 minute and make a smooth paste. 2. Apple and kale smoothie. Almond milk unsweetened 2 cups. Ice 1/2 cup. Kale chopped 1 cup. Celery chopped 1 stalk. Green apple 1/2 chopped. Flax seed 1 tablespoon and honey 1 teaspoon. Add all ingredients in blender, and blend for 1 minute and make a smooth paste. 3. Avocado smoothie. Apple juice 1/2 cup. Spinach 2 cups. Stemmed and chopped apple 1 unpeeled and chopped. Avocado 1/2 chopped. Put the apple juice, spinach, and avocado in a blender and make a smooth paste. Add water to get best consistency. 4. Metabolism boosting smoothie. Orange peeled 1, strawberries 1/2 cup. Raw spinach 1 cup. Almond milk 1 cup. Add all ingredients in blender, and blend for 1 minute and make a smooth paste. 5. Chia seeds and berries for belly smoothie. Plain Greek yogurt 1 cup unsweetened. Frozen berries, blueberries, strawberries 1 cup. Ground chia seeds 1 tablespoon. Ice 1/2 cup. Add all ingredients in blender, and blend for 1 minute and make a smooth paste. 6. Kiwi and spinach smoothie. Kiwi 1, spinach 2 cups. Pineapple 1/2 cup. Celery stalks 2. Water 1 cup. Add all ingredients in blender, and blend for 1 minute and make a smooth paste. 7. Pineapple and banana smoothie. Pineapple 1 cup. Banana 1 apple 1 spinach 2 cups. Water 1 cup. Add all ingredients in blender, and blend for 1 minute and make a smooth paste.